What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just pulled up at my buddy Jordan's house. Got my son with me today. He's probably gonna sit inside and play Forza or something, or watch YouTube while me and Jordan mess with the car. But the goal for today is to finish Jordan's car and show you guys how everything looks when it's done. So let's check in with Jordan. What up, boy? Yeah, I didn't realize you were getting another seat. So you what? You just got like a matching to the one you already have?
Yeah, so it matches my car.
Sick. Yeah, I kind of want to get those the like Ultra, the NRG Prisma Ultra Blues. I think they're really sick. I want to get one like the Thrash seats, but they're like super expensive, and I don't know if I'm about that life right now. So I might do the cheaper version and get something that also looks cool to me. So we're gonna send it probably, but we'll see what happens.
Right, same.
Yeah.
It's gonna look good.
Right.
Matching.
Yeah.
And harness.
Yeah.
Matching.
Yeah.
The lamp doors.
Yeah.
So you see all matching.
Yeah.
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 Point. That's the point.
As expected, Caden's playing GTA.
Going still. Oh gosh, I can't. I forgot how to do this.
I've been moving them out and stealing with me. Then he got the blues in the pouch. To the forest with the wood in the mouth. Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house. The private I'm flying in, I don't wanna fly again. I take my chances in traffic. She's sucking on dick, no hands with it. I just made her roll it clean like a landing strip. I'm a 2020 president candidate. I done put 100 bands on Zimmerman shit. I've been moving real gangster, so that's why she pick a crit. Shawty call me Chris Cool, cause I pop my shit.
Yep, it's still in there.
Oh, I know.
So what are these ones then?
That's my front one. This is one ramp to the front.
Oh, that goes to this one.
I'll be going to this one.
So are you gonna go through that hole down there?
I already did.
Oh.
That's why they're out. So it's already out.
Oh, this needs to go the rest of the way to there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go through my fucking...
Gotcha.
Back out.
Makes sense.
And then the other one ran across already. Just waiting to drop down in this hole. Go into fender, go into stock clips, and connect.
Nice. Should be good. Yeah, like we should have showed them what it looked like with the headlights on, because at night you're just gonna blind the shit out of people.
That's the whole point. So that'd be running solo runs.
Right. Yeah, because these things are extra bright. I'm really excited to see what it looks like with all four of them on.
Yes.
Like, it's already so bright that it like screws with everything. Like, it screws with my eyes, it screws with the camera, it screws with you. I'm curious what it's gonna look like with all four. Should be pretty wild.
Yep.
What you got there?
Motherfucking Bush Latte.
Bush.
You know, these are actually a couple cents more than just the short, normal fucking cans.
Are they?
Yeah. So you might as well just buy this bitch. It's
I mean,
cheaper. A couple cents cheaper. Did you know there's a latch?
what? Mine didn't have that.
They move.
This gotta be aftermarket.
Look.
Oh, I knew this was there.
I didn't know that was.
I thought you were talking about this.
Oh, no,
I was like, this is aftermarket for
Yes,
sure.
This is mine.
What you put in there?
Nothing.
Nothing.
The netting.
I mean, that's kind of sweet though.
Yeah.
Put your strap in there.
Put your strap, got your clip.
Yup.
You know what I mean?
That's pretty neat, dude.
Yeah.
Where did you get that from?
It came with the car.
Oh,
Easy.
it's pretty sick. What? Dude.
Fucking mailman?
Mail? Oh, stickers?
Maybe. I don't know.
I'm still waiting on mine too.
We'll see. Next to Sticker Corp.
Sticker Corp.
See what we got.
Yeah, I'm wondering if mine's gonna come today or not. Probably not.
Ooh.
Just gonna send it.
Just gonna send it.
It's pretty sick. Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
Where does the just gonna send it one fit though? Anywhere?
I mean, anywhere really.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know what to tell you, bro.
It'll come to mind.
Yeah.
Right on the Lambo door or something.
True. Yeah. I don't know. I think it looks good here, but I understand what you're saying. I mean, if it was me, I would just drill a hole like here. I don't know what this is for, but I'd put a hole like there on the edge so you can run those cords through there.
Yeah, I would have to rerun that gray cord though.
Right, and then
which isn't too hard to do, so.
Right.
That is an idea, and then I can glue it down right there. Well, or 3M tape it.
Right, 3M would probably work pretty good.
Yeah, it's plastic on plastic.
True.
Yeah, what you know about a spare?
I mean, I got one in my trunk too.
Make sure that we got ear in it.
Dead. Yeah, if that goes through there, then that'd be pretty sweet then. Pretty simple. Is it? Oh yeah, under there, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that should be no problem then. Heck yeah, bro.
It'll just take some finagling. But
Right.
I'll get her in. Like I did with the other wires. I think smart, not harder.
Right.
And then all you need is this.
Hey man, motherfucker mailman just came.
Or bin can. Drill right here.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Drill right there. Drill right here.
Yeah.
Boom.
Pop them in.
Yep.
And then you can run the wires right through here.
Yep. Give you a clamp. You little. You ain't doing it right if you ain't hearing your car creak. Right?
What?
You ain't doing it right if you don't hear your car creak.
I mean, right. Or if you lean on something and it makes a crack noise and then nothing's broken.
Yeah.
That seems to happen to me a lot, actually.
Breaking people's shit. Remember that time you sent my hood right through the fucking ceiling?
Damn. What the hell happened here? Snip, snip. Snips the whole wire.
You know there are better tools, right?
You know what?
Know what?
This is the tool right now. This is the tool for everything, man. You can't fuck with it. All of it.
Sick. So drill the lights now, right?
Next thing, yeah.
Sick.
Best way to get burrs off is right here.
Yeah.
You don't got a burr tool. Next one, right up on the garage. Make sure you got nice support. You don't want to fuck up. You always let the bit do the work.
Right.
Get a nice cut.
Trying to let me on like tool time right now.
This is Jordan's full time.
Al Borland over there.
Oh
Working
yeah.
on a weekend like
Nice.
usual.
Make
Way
sure
out
they
in
look
the
good.
deep end like usual.
Let it get pressed in there.
Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much.
Nice press fit. Look at that.
Mint.
Purchase to the paddock, my wrist goes nuts.
It's almost like it's OEM, bro.
So so what? block on my tape.
You don't want our lights touching?
Man, I'm losing roads with this
You're
shit.
not?
Plus,
They fucking put a whole.
but I keep waking up.
There we go.
My text, baby, please say something. Wine out of glass, man, I cheesecake bump. Niggas gotta move on my release that home. Blame not out.
There we go.
These are nice, dude.
Yeah.
Ego twice the size of the grill. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Did what I had to, and did what I did. Never turn my back on everything.
Look at him hiding and shit.
My first event, I didn't dirt drop at all, but I was fucking sending it last event. I
Yeah.
knew I blew my bump rock, but I didn't know I broke like 2.
Yeah, I'm kind of surprised. I'm honestly kind of surprised with all the events I've hit with the IS already. Like, I haven't yet to lose any body panels, and I'm not sure how because I drive like an asshole, and yet my car stays in one piece for some reason. Besides breaking axles all the time.
JZX90.
Didn't you have one?
What? Yeah. 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 Yeah, you won't even see that once you got the spare and stuff in here. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. I can dig it. Wow! I was just waiting for you to do it on purpose. Crowded and twisted. This thing! Get out of my face, bro!
Motherfuck! Ah, there's metal shavings in my car. I forgot about that.
Looks good. You want to turn them on? Well, put power to it.
We gotta find power.
Alright, so Jordan got the rear ones wired up temporarily. He's still got to run some cables and things like that, but they do work. Turn them on, Jordan. Oh, man. Yep, there it is. Hell of a bright. Yeah, it honestly looks better in the back because you can see it. You can basically see it better because it's not, like, the lenses aren't super clear. Heck yeah, man. Right. Sick, dude. Okay, and I'll put your card out again. So yeah, I suppose with that in mind, we'll probably end the video here. We're gonna actually do like a whole video for this car, and we'll do one for Brock's car and my car and yada yada as the winter goes on, as we install more parts and things like that. And then before we go out drifting in the beginning of the year, we'll do like full videos for each car so you can see everything we did over winter and all that type of stuff. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Wow,